Hi, good night. My name is Miguel Ángel Flores, and this is how did I create my NetBeans program that is able to connect database. Today it is 12th December of 2025, and this is like this. Firstly, we have here the first two imports. This is from the Java SQL, and the Java SQL scanner. Now, the database is named CalRenting, MAF. CalRenting, it is the project MAF. There are my initials, Miguel Ángel Flores. Next, we have here in the polystatic void the connection to the database. Here it is all the root, all the name of the database, and the password. Then the message that is required that the connection of the database was successful. Then we have the SQL error that it means that the program will not be able to connect the database. Now, as the assessment requires, it is said that we need a loop for the main menu. This is the main menu, and the loop it is here with the do. Now, the first two options we have requires an user interaction. So the user has to provide the ID to these two options. The next five questions will not involve the user interaction. It is just for information asking. And the eighth option, it will print a goodbye, and this is the finish of all the program. Now, the every single method to connect to the database, it is here in the second class that is car renting information. Here we have the first case of the previously switch. The second case, this is the two cases when the information is required. Then the third, then the fourth, then the fifth, then the fifth, so sorry, the sixth, the seventh, and that's it. Now, if you want to see the program running, it is here. The first message connects to the database, and then select our options. For example, an invalid option will display a message, invalid option. Please include a correct option. If we include the first one, we need to provide the user ID. Let's say 103. The user's name is Michael. Date of birth is this date of birth. This is the date of birth, and the age is 28. Now, if you want to see, for example, the most expensive car, it is here. The most highest cost, that is the number 5. Enter. Here it is. The high card is the truck with the $90. Here it is in dollars. So much thank you, and thanks for watching.